I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse. I get a lot of questions about the crime of unlawful assembly here in California. The law is found in Penal Code 407 and 408, sometimes called 407 PC and 408 PC for short. Now, specifically, PC 407 provides the definition of an unlawful assembly. So the statute reads, quote, "Whenever two or more persons assemble together to do an unlawful act, or to do a lawful act in a violent, boisterous, or tumultuous manner, such assembly is an unlawful assembly." PC 08 states that every person who participates in any rout or unlawful assembly is guilty of a misdemeanor. We tend to see this section prosecuted in situations where there is rioting, looting, or protests that get out of hand. We saw a lot of these charges during the unrest that followed the George Floyd killing. A conviction for unlawful assembly is a misdemeanor. A conviction can lead to probation, fines, and up to 6 months in jail. It also gives you a criminal record. So it's definitely something that you want to fight if you get charged with. That said, PC 407 and PC 408 are charges where we've seen lots of innocent people get wrongly accused. You may have been merely present at the protest or rally, but not doing anything illegal. It may have been other people who had become violent or started looting. You may have just been peacefully exercising your rights to free speech and freedom of assembly. The good news is that here at Shouse Law Group, we've been very successful at helping people fight these sorts of charges successfully. If you've been cited for unlawful assembly, we invite you to give us a call. We may be able to get the charges reduced or dismissed.